We're going to be making tassu buns today with my husband too. Tassu means roast pork. To start off with, we have to make the polish, which is the main dough. Just sugar and plain flour and baking powder, and knead it together, gradually adding small amounts of water. Once it's made, you put it in a bag and sit it at room temperature over 24 hours for it to ferment. This has to be prepared the day before. So when we come to make the tassu bun today, we take a small piece of the polish that is going to help our new dough to rise. Polish, its main job is the fermentation. It gives the fluffiness of the tassu buns. Another thing that we have to prepare the day before is the tassu itself. To roast the tassu, leave it to cool down, and then make the gravy. Put the flour on the table, make a well, then add the water, sugar, baking powder, mix it thoroughly, and then add the polish into this new flour mix. Knead it until it have a quite nice smooth consistency, smooth sticky paste. And use a scraper to bring the flour back up. So just work it through until all the flour is mixed in and the polish is all blended into the new flour. Keep kneading it, roll it up until you get a nice round ball. Put it in a bowl, cover with a towel to stop it going dry, and leave it to rest for 2 to 3 minutes. While the dough is resting, we are preparing the filling. We chop up the tassu in small pieces, and then we add that to our gravy that we already made that has been sitting in the fridge overnight, and mix all that together. And now we come to the wrapping. So we just take a small piece of about 6 by 6 centimeters, and then you want to roll it out until it's about 4 millimeters thickness. With the dough in the middle of your palm, you just put the fillings in, and then with your fingers, you just pleat the top together, and then just nip right at the end. Once you nip at the end, if you just stick that onto a little bit of paper, and that is ready to go onto a steamer for 10 minutes on high heat. So you can tell the tassu is ready by it be open at the top, a natural opening at the top, and it would have risen, so double in size.